Absolutely, I regret this. I regret this. If I will look this back, if I will look this back now, I'm embarrassed. But I cannot change what I've done and what I've said. But I'm very embarrassed. Friendly people, I love Dumaguete, I love Philippines. I have nothing against the Philippines.
What's your reaction? The City Council of Dumaguete passed a resolution declaring you as persona non grata.
No, you know, persona non grata, meaning that you are not welcome here.
I'm sad. I'm very sad. I'm very, very sad. Yeah. I'm very sad.
Sad, very sad. So that's why he's going home.
When you call monkeys to the Dumagueteños, are you feeling sad?
Yeah, absolutely, I regret this. I regret this. If I will look this back, if I will look this back now, I'm embarrassed. But I cannot change what I've done and what I've said. But I'm very embarrassed. And I'm very sorry about this. But I cannot undone this.
Attorney, why was he arrested and handcuffed, bro?
That is the normal procedure because he will be under deportation. So, in order to protect the interest of the government candidate siya Mustafa, madalang yun sa Manila, i-handcuff na siya. But there is no imprisonment here. It's just an administrative matter for his deportation and overstaying and deportation. So, consequent.
Being handcuffed, wala rin siya.
Wala na nga. Wala yung criminal. Because the matter is administrative. There's no criminal liability.
Okay, sir, what is your plan now to your post that circulated to the social medias?
You will delete it.
That you said you're the monkeys and don't get it. Because it's circulated. What will you do now?
Like, will you be issuing a public apology?
Public apology for the
Absolutely. I will do this. I will do this.
You will erase.
I will erase the video and I will do a public apology acknowledging that I know what I've done wrong. And I'm very sorry about this. I'm very sorry.
You want to give your apology right now?
I want to give a proper apology, but I will do this on my YouTube channel. But I am very sorry, but I will do a proper apology on my YouTube channel.
Formal.
In your account.
Exactly.
We look forward to that.
How many followers you have?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure in one point. But right now I don't know how much I have. Under 100,000.
100,000.
Under.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sim. SIM card, TM or dito? No. Okay. Kailangan sa pagkabalo.
Sir, I'm very sorry. I see you are offended when I said.
I'm a media. I'm a member of media.
I take this. I'm very sorry about it. I won't say this personally. I don't mean this. I didn't really mean this. It's just.
Listen in English. Limasin ko lang.
Okay.
Ha? Delete na. Okay, you can leave now. So, about the matter, about good luck. It will be your wife. It will be your wife who will give me.
So very good.
Sorry for the Filipino. Go ahead.
Good luck, no?
We're sorry for
Good luck, ha? Good luck, ha? Do not
Sorry
do.
for the Filipino.
Sorry for the Filipino.
Sorry for what you said to what you did to the Philippines. You want to say I'm sorry?
Of course I'm sorry. Of course I'm sorry. I'm sorry
You will
what I've
make
done.
a
Yeah.
formal.
I will make a formal apology on my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Okay. The world is very near nowadays. We can, even if you're in Estonia, you can call me with pardon you. Talk to your wife.
Lot of white people in Estonian or black people?
We have so many foreigners in our city because it's a university city. We have black people, we have Filipinos, we have everything.
So you know English. You know English.
My English was so bad when I came to the Philippines. I have practiced my English a lot.
What is your job in Estonia? You're
I used to do e-commerce.
e-commerce.
Yeah.
So your message to the Dumaguete, your message.
And to the councilor. Yeah, and to the council.
I love
City
Dumaguete. Dumaguete is very beautiful. Dumaguete is very beautiful city. And very, very beautiful people. Friendly people. I love Dumaguete. I love Philippines. I have nothing against the Philippines. It's just my mistakes that I did. And unfortunately, I have to leave right now.
All right.
And I'm sad. I'm very sad.
Bye-bye. Amping po. You know Bisaya? Sir, asa siya dadon, sir?
Manila.
Sa Tenas Airport ni?
Karon.
Karon na? Okay. So, sir, proceed na mo sa airport, sir? Karon? Proceed na mo sa airport?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Di ba po, English, bilisay, ano ko na pulis mo
Ni ko proceed na mo sa airport. Gikla. Mga kaubas buhat no, naadiri no. Si Sir Choyo, Sir Nel Rio, si Brochi sa Bayridyo, si Ribas K5, o sa Metro Post. Adiri no, kaubas buhat.
Asa na mo gawa?
Bloomberg.
Cartoon Network.
ABS-CBN.
Kaya di mo gana mo video ni. Sa man ni? Ala ini.
Lain mo yun mo.
Dagong yung mga soto.
Well, actually, none siya pending case, but it is about to be dismissed. This aspect now that he is being arrested is not about the criminal case. It is a direct order coming from the commissioner himself for his being an undesirable, so-called undesirable alien. Because when your visa expired, you are no longer desirable to in the Philippines kay expired man. Dapat mangayo kag extension. And other matters related thereto about the expired visa. So, wala ro yung problema. Ang criminal case, wala na yung problema. Ang katulad yung criminal case na di-filean siya. It's about to be dismissed, but it is now the administrative aspect filed before the Commission on Immigration. Now, ang penalty ana is immediate deportation. Now, my client also wants to go home. So, wala yung conflict. But he is married to a Filipina. So, wala yung conflict. So, I told him na cooperate na lang so that the process will be faster for his deportation so that he can go back to his home country, which is Estonia.